Well, hey folks, and welcome to this rather special episode of the show. Today I'm going to be making this cube within cube puzzle. It's a rather fun project, and basically anyone can make them in just a few minutes, as long as you've got a drill press and a couple of fortune bits. So that's what we're going to make. Now the reason I'm doing this is, I say it's slightly out of sync to the normal ones, but money generated from the monetisation of this video will be going to a charity called Niamh's Next Step. Check out in the description box, I'll put links to their Facebook page and their Twitter feeds. So go check those out, follow and like, because this charity is basically there to raise awareness and raise funding for research into a childhood cancer called Neuroblastoma. And they don't get any government funding for this particular disease. It's purely done from charity. So money generated from those big companies that like to pay big money to advertise on YouTube. Some of that money is going back into the charity for a good cause. So the more people that watch this, the more money that goes into charity, and you know, these companies are paying for research, and it's not even a tax write-off, it's advertising. Thanks for watching. Well, there we go, finished cube in a cube. I did manage to salvage it, and the inside one has got through holes as well. It's a shame it didn't have the cube in a cube. Maybe I was being a bit ambitious, or maybe I was just being a bit ham-fisted with the drill bit. It might need sharpening, to be perfectly honest, but I hope you enjoyed it. It's good fun making. A lot of sanding though, so don't forget to check out the links to Niamh's next step. They'll be in the description box, and if you did like it, then please do subscribe. Every view will count as a monetised view and will help raise money for neuroblastoma in children. So once again, thanks for watching, and share with your friends, whether you're a woodworker or a Niamh's next step follower. Hopefully you're both now.